Can we see your container cabinet?
Absolutely not. It's bad.
I'm sorry, what?
Can we see your container cabinet?
What? Oh.
Most food storage does one job poorly. Too many containers that don't stack, made from sketchy materials that don't last, or they're too expensive, heavy, or breakable. And too many lids, none of which fit.
I'm not even sure where I got these.
So we started over. This is Misenware. Everything safe, stainless steel containers that handle food better in every way. 3 sizes, 1 lid. Every container stacks, every lid fits every container. No matching, no digging, effortless organization. Misenware was designed for every step of your food's journey. It's for prepping, marinating, cooking, storing leftovers, taking it with you, reheating, and tossing in the dishwasher. Because there's a lot going on in your kitchen, and your containers should keep up. Let's talk about stainless steel. Our stainless steel doesn't leach chemicals, it doesn't crack or shatter, it doesn't hold on to smells or feel greasy.
Why is it like that?
And yes, you can microwave it.
Wait, what?
That's right. Maybe you grew up hearing no metal in the microwave. That was never the whole story. Metal can spark in the microwave when sharp corners or thin edges concentrate the electromagnetic field. Misenware is engineered with the right shape and thickness for microwave safety, up to 1100 watts.
Can we see your cabinet now?
I thought you'd never ask.
Back our project now to make your food storage dreams come true. Misenware. Better for food, better for you in every way.